Hurricanes are destructive natural disasters that can cause major destruction in Lee County, Florida. Hurricanes can bring heavy rain, strong winds, flooding, and even tornadoes. Lee County has seen many hurricanes over the years, some more devastating than others. Hurricanes can turn a seemingly calm day into one of chaos and destruction in an instant. Residents of Lee County should always be prepared for the possibility of a hurricane. Knowing what to do before, during, and after a hurricane can save lives. There are many resources available, both online and in person, to provide information on hurricane preparedness. Residents should build an emergency kit and be familiar with the contents so they can access items quickly if they need to evacuate. It is important to know evacuation routes and have a plan in place. Prepare an emergency kit for your family, including basic supplies like food, water, and medication. Secure your home, property, and any outdoor items, and be sure to have flood insurance. Prepare to protect and save pets in case of an emergency. Have an emergency plan in place that includes a designated shelter and alternate routes. Tune into weather reports and be aware of tropical storms that could become hurricanes. Make sure windows and doors are securely closed and sealed prior to the storm. Shut off utilities at the main switch if instructed to do so by local authorities. Keep an emergency contact list and keep everyone informed. Pick up objects that can become projectiles and secure them in a safe place. Make sure you have access to flashlights, batteries, and other necessary supplies. Have cash and credit cards at the ready in case of power outages. Have staying power. It may take several days after a hurricane for life to return to normal. Listen for instructions issued by local officials and follow them. Check the internet for updates and post-storm safety warnings. Keep a log of events so you will have a timeline to pass on to insurance companies. Do not leave your home until it is declared safe to do so.